Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the data hiding in Java. First of all, we should think why to hide data and how to hide data. Let's have a look at these examples. Can you see this television? Yes. What we can see in that television is there's one button that changes channel. Here is one button that changes the volume. The user, it is very simple for user to change the volume and change the channels by just pressing the buttons. But can we assume how this is happening? Like this is a TV. This is the changing channel and changing volume is the functions of TV, and these functions are performed on some data, and the data for this television is this circuit diagram, that is circuit design. There are some operations that performs on this circuit that make changes in the increase of volume or decrease of volume. But if we open the box of TV and ask user to change the volume by changing some gates inside the circuit, it will be very complex for them to use TV. Like, it will be very funny that we are making a course on how to use TV. In the same way, let's have a look at the example of this car. We are using car, we are using steering to balance the car, we are using gears, and we press accelerator to speed up the car and press brakes to retard the acceleration. But do you know how this works? Like, when we change the gear, we cannot see how the lever is changing the chain of car. We do not know how the brakes are retarding the motion of tire in car to stop the acceleration. They all are kept hidden from data. It is a very basic principle in engineering. So, when we look at the software engineering, we also use this principle. We hide the data to make product easier for user. Let's have a look at this code. See, in this code, there is a class of circle, and we have got one property, that is radius, and two behaviors, finding the area of this radius and finding the parameter. But in this class, the data is not hidden. The user can change the data inside the code. That can be risky for us. If we have a look at the code editor, like, let's come to the demonstration for this code. Then how will we hide the data? Now the question arises. It is very simple. Make this variable private instead of public. I will write it here. Private. Yeah. Now the variable is not public. Like, the data is not public. We cannot change it here inside the class like this. See, the red color showing that we have got an error. But let's run the program and think of the error. Yes, here you can see the radius has private access in array dot circle class. It means that the data is hidden. But if we have kept this data hidden, the user is not able to change the radius. He cannot set the radius, he cannot get the radius. So now we will write two methods for this. I'm removing these methods because we are not making them. I will remove this also. Now I will write one method to set the data. Public void set data. It will take an variable argument of, actually it should be double, because the variable is also of double, and we will just put this formal argument into our variable. like this. Radius is equal to n. And now we will write a method to get the data. That is get data. We do not need any argument in this. We will just print the value of radius like this. Radius is radius. And now we have made a object C1 of class circle, and we can just call the set data and we will give some value. Then I will call the get data function to get the data. Let's run this program. Here we can see the radius is 7 because we set it here by using this method. They are very famous methods. They are called getter and setter method. This is how we can hide the data in Java. Thank you for watching this video.